One of the most challenging things as a web design agency or a web design freelancer is trying to find clients. And now you'll always struggle to find clients with this fundamental problem. And one of the most important things that they get wrong is not understanding how a website can actually benefit a business and why a business needs a website. Simply understanding how important it is for a business to have a website that functions the way that they need it to, rather than something that just looks pretty on the surface, will help you so much within your sales conversations and any messaging that you put out for marketing. So in this video, we're going to be answering the question of how do websites help businesses? Now, understanding this will help give you a better mindset and positively impact the way that you're positioning yourself on sales calls and when you're having conversations with potential clients. Now, before we do dive further into this, there's one key thing that you need to know, and that is a business needs money to survive. Okay, money is like the heartbeat that keeps them alive. Without money, all businesses will fail because that is how they function. Money allows them to function, money allows them to operate. Okay, so a business needs money to survive. Now, the way that a business makes money is by selling. Okay, they could be selling their physical products or they could be selling their services. By physical products, I'm talking about things like clothing, tools, gadgets, or even food. But for selling services, I'm talking about service-based businesses such as consulting, plumbing, electricians, medical, coaching. Okay, so there are two main ways there that a business can make money through selling. Okay, and they're selling these products or services to their customers, which essentially means that by getting customers, that equals money. Okay, we've already discussed that business needs money to survive, but we also need money to operate, and it also needs money to grow. Okay, by selling more products, selling more services, and acquiring more customers, the business is going to make more money, and this is going to allow the business to improve other areas of the business to turn them into a bigger, better business. So we're talking about things like better reputation. Okay, business wants better reputation. They want a better team. They want better services. They want better inquiries. They want improved infrastructure. They want more of the market share. Okay, they want higher margins. They want better, more attractive products. Okay, they want better equipment so they can do better work. They want better systems to allow them to work more efficiently. Okay, but all of this is possible by way of generating more customers. Okay, what's the missing link and what's this got to do with web design? Okay, well, there are two key parts to the money-making equation. First of all, we've got having a valuable product or service. Okay, and this is the area that the business or the business owner will know best. They know how much value that they can give to their customers. The second part is allowing that business to reach its target audience. Or I'm talking marketing, and this is the area that a business often falls short. Okay, so a business wants to get their product or services in front of the right target audience. Okay, so a website is a fundamental marketing tool to allow this to happen. A website is actually being used as a marketing tool to physically bridge the gap between a business's service or product and the customers that they're looking to attract. Okay, just because a business has a good service or a great product, that doesn't mean that they're going to be successful because they don't know how they can reach their target customer. Okay, so what we do is we actually use a website to bridge the gap to allow the service to reach the customers. Okay, so hopefully already you can see how valuable a website is to a business. Okay, the website is designed to fix common business problems. Okay, and actually fixing any of the following problems is going to allow the business website to attract more of the customers that it's looking to attract, make more money, make more sales. Okay, so we're talking about things like answering common problems here, answering common questions by way of FAQs. So for example, I've worked with multiple clients where they said all that we get is phone calls from people asking questions. Okay, if that is the case and that's a problem that they're having because it's taking away time, money and resource from staff and their team, you can easily fix that with FAQs. Okay, a website is also really good for reducing buying risk. So it's the more that you can talk about a physical product or service, the less risky it's going to feel for a customer to buy from them. Also, a professionally built and designed website will increase credibility for that business, but it also increases trust between the business and the potential customer. If there's no trust, that customer is never going to buy from them, so that is why that's so important. The website can also show the business's value of its service and or products. It also provides an easy opportunity for people to buy online or equally get in touch and submit an inquiry. So ultimately making it much easier to increase the amount of customers coming through the website. All right, so this is really important. Knowing that a website is a fundamental marketing tool that can solve common business problems is much more effective than thinking a website should be something that only looks good. Okay, so it is really important to understand and start thinking about what value a website brings to a business and how can a website benefit a business. Try thinking more like a problem solver and how your website is going to fix the business problems, rather than thinking like a web designer where you can just design a website that looks great to you, because design is very subjective. You might design something that you think is amazing, but the client and everybody else that's viewing it online either doesn't like it or they don't care. Okay, that's why we need to start thinking about websites as a business tool, as a marketing tool that is going to fix those business problems. And honestly, by doing that, you're going to have way more success. You're going to have much better conversations with people that you're speaking with, and you're going to close way more deals. So if you found that valuable, please do give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. There's an end screen coming up with more content. Make sure that you go and check those out as well, because they are also going to be really valuable. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.